Happens whenever you take a hot rock and put it on ice water. Do you want to find out? Or I guess our AI did. I don't know. Hold on one second. Remember what we were just looking at? There it goes. Isn't that crazy? I think it might be coming around. Let's go see what happens. Hey, soul. So, hold on one second. I'm going to take the magnetic field. So let me pause this. Okay, we're back. Let's see if we see anything. I'm gonna hurry up. Sorry. I know it's pretty hot out here today. So, I know my uncle's been here helping us with our yard. It looks so much better, right? Maybe it'll actually, let me see if we can get the magnifying glass. Do some observations. I just don't know why my social could be. Hold on. Let's see if I can get submerged, maybe. Never mind. Hold on one second. I know, right? Is there anything going on? I noticed this kind of spread open, so like we were saying, that we think that it is putting pressure. I know, right? I noticed that the magnetic, the heat changed. You know, I wanted to get the magnifying glass on here, but it's a little late. I'll stop talking. Now you see how I know, I'm just kidding, but the water is starting to go to the veins, am I correct? And if what Neil deGrasse said on TV, that the solar particles are bringing in the gold deposits, and if we were hypothetically thinking that that is rain, with those gold deposits in the water, and then we go inside of the veins, maybe the rock doesn't get bigger, but it gets heavier. What? Alright, hold on one second. Now, do you see how that vein has gotten so much more, like almost like plate tectonics? Which is very interesting. Let me see if I can get some sun on it. So this was solid. Wow, do you see how, am I crazy, or did we have some kind of a, I swear. Now, do you see how quantum entanglement works? Like Newton says, it kind of brings things and fixes. Like, do you see what kind of pressure we were dealing with? Wow. Dang, that is amazing. Because like, it's like, it was aligned when we put it in here. Am I crazy? See if we can get some sunlight. Hold on, let me pause this. Okay, I'm back. Maybe. So let's see what happens with hot and cold. It's not that hot though. I sound all flustered, but I don't know how to get a hold of anybody. I don't know why my TV said Amazon is going to terminate all social media login. It's like, what? I don't even use social media on my TV. Well, I guess I watch YouTube on it, but I guess, sorry. See, the magnetic field is now entangled to a magnifying glass. So all these scientists that are like Neil deGrasse, he's like, so what are you trying to say, dude? Well, maybe light deposits of gold. I know, I'm trying to stay still. Now, where is that crack at? I know, I'm sorry, my hand is shaky because I think the magnetic field. Now, from our research observations, the sun is actually, I have it stable where honestly what is happening is the sky. I don't know, Beck, but what we just saw fly by, well, what if, right? But I'm saying, if it is because somebody stole my account, then what do we do? I'm saying like, okay, YouTube, it's like, who are you? Right? I know, it's like, are you sure? Do you see how I kind of all went there? Now it went darker around that one spot. I'm trying to think. I know that whenever we talk about gold, we don't like magnets, so we separate. All right, I will be right back. Okay, so, sorry. Remember what I said last time we took it out of the ice water and it started to bleed? Like, I don't know, I'm worried I don't want it to, it literally is leaking. But the first time I noticed it, I didn't notice it till a little while, like a few minutes later. I'm like, why is it still wet? I'm holding this to the sun. Is that why they called it a vein? To bleed it? Now, what I'm thinking, if it is, there was a way to bleed a vein like that, would the weight of this rock over time decay? Like, I don't know. I'm trying to get a very focused shot. Maybe this is like whatever flew by saying, yo, social, you might be holding on to a golden nugget here. Why would you throw it away without a silent ear?